Hey everyone, Mark here at Seaway Hyundai. Welcome back to the used car online vehicle showroom. I'm here to show you another great pre-owned vehicle. This is a Chevy Spark. Take a look at this thing. We'll do a quick walk around the outside, then I'll show you some of the interior features. Again, if you're looking for a great car that's fuel efficient, fun to drive, got some sporty styling, this may be the right vehicle for you. And we've priced it to sell, guys. So it's a great little vehicle, tons of standard features, funky, sporty. We'll do a walk around the outside so I can show you. The car's in fairly nice shape. Some stone chips here and there. And we've accounted for that in the price. We got alloy wheels. And like I said, some stone chips on the hood, which we'll do our best to touch up for you. Windshield's in nice shape. Roof's in nice shape, no dents or anything like that. So yeah, the Spark's a cool little vehicle, fuel efficient, 4-cylinder. Decent little trunk. Seats are split folding. You can also remove this if you need some extra space. So you can fold those seats down, take the cover off, privacy cover, get a little bit more room for a little home project. So it's a 4-seater. So a nice leather cloth bolstered seat. Cool little design on the interior of the seats. This just came out of the detail shop. Cloth's all in nice shape. You got some cup holders. You got power windows in the rear. So power windows, power locks, keyless entry. So some nice features. I'm gonna open this here. So again, like I said, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. You also have the ability to lock your rear windows if you have some kiddos in the back. A little bit of an adjustable driver's seat, so you can move that seat front to back, up, down. A little bit of here and there and everywhere. Power mirrors, you can adjust your interior illumination, so some cool features there, nice to have. So we'll jump in really quick. Turn it on. So again, some neat features in this vehicle, stuff you may not have expected to find. I'll just turn down the volume. So you've got all your cruise controls right here on the left-hand side of the steering wheel. On the right-hand side, you got Bluetooth. Great safety feature to have. You also have your volume controls right here. So all at the tip of the driver's fingers. So nice to have when you're driving. You don't have to fondle for anything. It's automatic. You got air conditioning, easy temperature gauges right here. You also got traction control, which you can shut off. You got some auxiliaries and inputs down here. So again, a little bit of everything. Cup holders, touch screen, all right here. So nice features to have. You can plug your phone in, do some different things like that. You can access to your audio, pictures and movies. So again, access to your phone, nice features you may not have expected to find on a car that we've priced to sell. Cloth leather bolstered seat, air conditioning, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, low kilometers. It's got it all, only 136,000 kilometers. Lots of life left in this Chevy Spark. So again, I want to thank you today for joining me in our virtual showroom. It's been a pleasure to show you this gorgeous little Chevy Spark. As always, you can call, text, or email us if you have any questions. Thanks again for joining me in the virtual showroom, and we look forward to seeing you soon.